In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the GoTyme referral code. So the first thing I would like to tell you is that on their official website, they actually do have a part of their website where everything regarding this is explained. If you go to promos up here on their website, and then scroll down and then to the right over here where there's different featured promos, you'll be able to see this promo, which is 50 plus 50 referral reward. And if you just click on that, you'll be able to see over here under promo mechanics, it says this was extended until June 30th, 2025. So if you're watching this video and it's not June 30th, 2025 yet, this means that likely this is still available. However, if you read through every single thing that says on this website over here, so we can just read this through, it's not that much, you'll be able to see that only some people can be those who get the referral promo codes. So it's going to be their partners. So GoTyme selected media partners, online influencers, content creators, partner agencies, etc. will be able to essentially become partners and get the referral code. And if you know those people or follow their social media accounts, via them, you'll be able to also get the referral code. And then for the first time you try to create an account with GoTyme, you'll be able to enter in your basically your referral card or your referral code. And once you enter that in, you will then need to do a physical debit card payment transaction worth at least this amount of currency, and then within 15 days upon account opening. And if you do this, it will be a qualifying transaction and you will get your reward. So that's essentially how this works. You need to find someone or find someone online from somebody that actually does have this referral code, and then your screen should look something like this over here on their official image. You will have to enter in your referral code, press redeem referral code, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.